take that Perry now. You can't do Perry, so.
You tell us, let me know the boy from the boy was wrong.
Me will make you run out of me house in a half a frock. When you're coming out the ramping shot.
You know him from the name Rowan.
Boy, Perry, she can do it, man. What she can do is about?
You know Perry from the name Rowan, and him never have nothing. Before him buy my apartment and I live good. When him used to call me and say him back at hurt him, cause him bed, him want to change him bed and him mattress.
That's
he never
right.
Yeah. You know him before him buy a bed.
You the things that when the lady I talk about the
Long time I know him. I'm trying him. Come on, Perry, come tell the people them, cause you don't want to talk truth. But quite Perry, they but cause I like when I talk to the people them, him can come say a truth. I know quite Perry long time from him name Rowan. The bed not spread up yet. Your bed not spread. You hold the camera high up in the roof. Your bed not spread. You don't wake up in a clean room. Eh? You don't wake up in a clean room. Your bed not spread. You have the camera up in the ceiling. Come tell the people them say know you from your name Rowan. From your never buying an apartment. Tell the people them the truth.
I honestly hate it here. I hate it here. I can't even give you a compliment and you compliment me back. I hate it here.
My compliments are after you tell the people them the truth. Tell the people them say know you from your name Rowan.
That is true. That is very true. That is true.
Outside, tell the people them say know you from me before you did big so.
You can't compliment me now, please. Can I get a compliment? What is the compliment? Tell me a compliment. Jesus God, man.
Quite Perry, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm happy that God bless you. Because remember when you did hungry. And I'm very happy to see that you buy your little apartment and you have a bed now and your back can stop hurt you. I'm proud of you. Your little apartment look good. Happy to see God bless. Look up, put him hand on your shoulder and say, oh God, I'm gonna bless this youth. I am very proud to see that you buy your place. Your little apartment look good and in the clean and in the not dirty. I'm happy for that. God knows.
Can we be serious now? Oh my God.
Ron, we are gonna do that, Ron.
Tell the people them say me never have the bed issue. Don't do that.
Tell the people them say I was your boss one time. You used to do me like a social media. Tell the people them say I hire you. Me never used to owe you. Me pay you your money. Talk when the people them know say me know you from before your name Rowan. When you just go to school, me hire you. And you used to run me like a social media. Me never know nothing about Twitter and nothing. Me never know nothing. And you call me and say, look here. So the Twitter could go and you set up the Twitter for me and set up the Facebook and you never wrap my page and them something there. And you never do not scam for my Instagram and me something there. And you set up me something there. Tell the people them say I was your boss. Tell the people them that I was your boss. Perry, don't laugh. Tell the people them.
And she was a very good boss. Very, 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 very good.
Listen to Perry. Listen to Perry. Listen what Perry said.
And she was a very good boss. And she never yet owe me yet. She never yet.
She don't owe money. I want thing with her. She make sure say you're nice and she pay good.
There you go. She make sure say you're taken care of. Okay. Remember one time?
One thing we can say.
Remember one time in a foreign. I think, where were we? I think we were in
Miami. When you fly from Miami. Them time they have it now. Them time when you have it, you never so hungry them time because you could have buy plate ticket. So when you just bust.
Remember one time, I don't remember what the store was. I think we're in like, what is the store? There must be Gucci or one of the store them. And she paid me. So I said, oh, all right, thanks. And then she added a little something on the money and I said, what is this for? She said, no, man. I you that, man. That girl here is a nice woman. Very kind.
Nice woman. Nice
woman. When they road there, you're not hungry. That's a one thing. To take care of our people, them. She does have to bless her.
You order a burger for my bill and my pay feet. Yeah.
Not lie. Me pay for my burger. You talk to the factory.
All right, one. That's how we didn't have money now. Nobody come high for me now. Remember, I know it from before you when you're hungry. Remember, I know it from before you boss with the name Rowan. Member.
Look here. She never know nothing about Instagram and them something here. Me I tell you no, look here, dog.
But I come done me now. Me done big up already. I say you set up my Instagram and you set up my Twitter and you run off my Facebook and I come done me now.
She never know one thing. I'm telling you people. I'm telling you people. We could have teach the girl page I run down a bit of everything.
But isn't it amazing to see my growth? I'm now one of the most followed artists from Jamaica and to know that you started it and you are a part of it. Isn't it amazing to see how I can manage myself now? I know everything about Instagram, everything now about Twitter, everything. You see it? You see how life go? I can't tell you nothing now.
I feel like you big up yourself and I listen to them same time.
Me pick you up too. Come to me tell the people them say you start out my look at Twitter page and so come never know nothing. I'm a big you up. I'm
Okay,
tell them you never live nowhere now you buy your apartment.
Oh my God, Grace Hamilton. Grace
you always live at one nice house. I want your house always clean. I'm come to pay you. Your veranda never dirty. Your mother keep a place clean. She paint. You come like she sweep all on the road. I want thing with you. Your mother look like she go outside, go sleep, and go sweep all the pavement. No dirt, no look a plastic bag never blow your yard yet. So that my like with your mother. Tell your mother big up herself for me, please. One of the cleanest yard me ever come. Because remember you used to call me every minute for the money, you know. You want you as Friday come and you me know say you have call me.
Can you stop? Look here, people, them time there, hello, me tell you something, $10,000 all for money, them time there, you know. Hello, me want to play, me need my money, miss. No matter how much thousands it is, and it's only for money, them time there. God know.
But I appreciate you though and big up yourself. I always join you, you know why I'm proud of you too. And big up yourself. I enjoy watching your YouTube channel and everything where you do. But really, wait there. Honestly, lip sir. Anyway, shall fix it. Shall fix the lip. But I'm proud of you though.
Thank you.
I'm happy to know that I still can call you and you're part of my journey because some of them come in and my life, them teeth, me them do all kind of things and then when I stop chat to them, they make it look like I'm me the problem. I never hear you say nothing about me yet. You never call me name, you never chat me. So I love the fact that I can still call you and say, Perry, remember you.
Period. Period.
You know you never chat people, you know. Remember you're more light today. You never slaughter me yet. I love that.
That's our one thing. I know. You know what I can appreciate about our friendship? I can look for you and tell us a spice. I never like that. I ain't a pre-me. And you can look for me and tell me, say, Perry, that no right. I'm in a pre either. I can appreciate that.
That's what friends are for. You have to get your friend the truth.
Yeah.
Remember when I call people, they call me and I say, no, Grace, I can't do that. And I say, Perry, look here, them trouble me, I don't respond to that. I'm damn, and you say, no, spice. And I say, Perry, I don't care.
Yes. 100%.
May I get put on the makeup? She late parachute, you know?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I love you, Perry. Big up yourself.
Love you, darling. Big up.
Tell the people them about your Instagram. First, if I come from $3 million people followers, so much viewers, 5,000 people I watch. Tell the people them about your page and who they are foreign. Remember, say, I know there's Jamaicans alone there for me something, you know. So who they are foreign can go look for your YouTube page. You crazy?
Look here, I'm gonna subscribe to my YouTube songs.
Yeah.
Remember followers like one time, you know.
What's your YouTube name?
Quite Perry, and trying to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And you can follow me too. When I shot the followers like one time.
Yeah.
Come up little.
No, I know if I have 10,000 followers, I have 5,000. So not hype on me. But guys, follow him. It's very interesting. He'll keep you entertained, just like me. When we have a bad day, we can just go back YouTube channel.
Period.
All right, bye. I love you.
Love you, darling. Big up.
Bye, guys. All right, big up on yourself. I just came to say good morning to you guys. And, you know, I just wanted to share some love. That's all. But I love you guys. So enjoy the day and hope